To claim to your Telegram wallet, you just make sure you have a Telegram wallet. So let's confirm mine. So I'm gonna go back right and click on this three line and to make sure I have Telegram wallet right here. This is my wallet. So the way I'm seeing this thing, I don't think we even need the gas fee because there is nowhere they ask for it. I've withdrawn from my first account to my Bybit. If you have not seen that video, go check that video, how to withdraw to your Bybit wallet. So this is my Telegram wallet, so you can see this. So I will advise you to just go ahead withdraw to your Telegram wallet. So on the 20th you can now swap it to maybe turn coin or swap to USDT and withdraw to your exchange and sell. So let's go back. I'm gonna close it, then let's go to the app. Let's go back to dog. All right, so I want to show you how to withdraw to Telegram wallet in this video. So I have 59,917 in this account. So I'm gonna click on deposit to exchange. Then here, remember custodia is not available here, so I'm gonna click on Telegram. Then I'm gonna click continue. Then I'm going to click on open wallet in Telegram. Then I'm going to wait for it. All right, you can see the exchange, then you can see trade on market, and also click on continue. Then from here, I'm just going to say account complete, verification complete. Please return to dog to complete any remaining steps. So I'm going to click on this one, then I'm going to wait for it. Then you can see here, you can see withdraw to wallet in Telegram. You will receive your dogs before the listing. So I just say yep, keep going. Then you can see confirm withdrawal. So I'm gonna confirm that. And then once I do that, deposit in progress, woof. Then that's all. Now I've withdrawn to my Telegram wallet. So this is how to withdraw to your Telegram wallet. It's very simple, straightforward. So if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, go ahead to subscribe to this channel. This channel is one of the best channel you can find on YouTube. Go ahead to subscribe now for more updates like this, and make sure you like this video. Please like this video. At least you are using that to encourage me to do more video. Drop a comment, a nice comment in the comment section. You can also join us in the Telegram group. I will drop the link in the comments, in the description box. You can join us in the Telegram group, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.